2, 1. This family escaped the highest sales taxes in the state. Rob Wilson with SouthTampaTeardowns.com. When this family decided to sell their property a couple months ago with us, they probably had no idea that sales taxes in Hillsborough County were going to go from 7% to 8.5%. But they made the move to Wesley Chapel in Pasco County simply to be closer to their grandkids. And what's exciting about that for them, not only were they able to take their homestead exemption, which saves them thousands of dollars, because they lived in this property for, I think, 38, 39, I forget exactly, but north of 35 years they lived in this property. And what's great about property tax portability is when you sell a property in one neighborhood, say in Hillsborough County, and move out to Wesley Chapel in Pasco County, the great thing is that, let's say you're paying $5,000 less on your property taxes than you would if you had bought something brand new as a brand new property owner. Well, that savings you have is portable. So if you sell a $300,000 house in South Tampa and you buy a $300,000 house in Wesley Chapel, more or less, your property taxes are going to be the same. And now with sales taxes going from 7% to 8.5%, that's a few $100s more for a lot of families every single year that you can use to spoil your grandchildren. So if you're hoping to sell a property in South Tampa to a builder and maybe make a move out to Pasco County, the great thing is your 1,000 square foot or 1,500 square foot house in South Tampa might buy you a 2,000 or 3,000 square foot brand new house right now today in Pasco County. So if you want to know kind of the budget you have to play with, give me a call. My name's Rob Wilson. I'm the Director of Dirt with Exit Bayshore Realty. I run a website called SouthTampaTeardowns.com. I can get you a fair offer fast for your South Tampa property, and you can go do some new home shopping and save on sales taxes and also make your property taxes portable if you close before the end of the year. I've got 2 or 3 more spots for builders that want to buy and they want to close before the end of the year. So if you want an offer from one of my builders and see what you can do to move your property tax exemption and save that money too, I'll tell you how it all works. Just give me a call, 813-784-4199, or you can request your offer online at SouthTampaTeardowns.com. Thanks.